Today we are going to start the chapter number 33, probability. Open up page number 476. Okay. Now, what is the probability? First, I have to define this factor. Okay. So, probability is the study of chance. And you know about the chance. Chance, like we have a coin. Okay. We have a coin. And we have two sides of the coin. One is head and one is tail. Okay, so if we are going to study the chance of a coin, so it is like that, how much have chances to get the head in one coin? So we are going to study this type of problem over here. Okay, now first we have to look over the formula which we are going to discuss in this topic, probability of an event. What is the event? Event is like tossing a coin, rolling the dice, or selecting the one card from a deck. You know about the deck? Deck we are going to play. It's a game. Okay. And you are also must aware about the dice. Right. Okay. In dice we have like this cube shape having the numbers on the 6 faces. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's written over there, but numbers are represented over with the dotted with dots. Okay. Now look at this probability of an event. If we are going to find the probability or the chance of an event to occur, so what we have to do? We have to do number of the favorable outcomes. Favorable outcome. What is the favorable outcome? The event which you are likely to find out. Okay, in the case of coin, if there is if somebody is asking about you, you have to find the probability of getting the head in tossing coin one time. Okay, now head is the favorable outcome. Okay, so we are going to write over here favorable outcome, and you have to divide this number with the number of total outcomes. So in total outcome, total chances, total events that can occur at that time. Okay, in case of coins, we have to recall this by taking the same example. Total outcome. How many outcome we can get by tossing a coin? Either head, either tail. So we have 2 outcomes in which one is our favorable outcome. Okay. So sorry, it's erasable. So probability. So if we found this value equal to 0, it means event is impossible to occur. If we have this fraction equal to 0, if we get the probability equal to 0, it means event is impossible. That means event is not going to happen. Okay. If the probability is equal to 1, it means event is certain to happen or event is going to happen. Okay. Now we have another formula. Okay. If we are going to discuss you have to find out the probability of an event, probability of getting the head in a coin. So what is the probability of not getting the head in a coin? So we have a formula for that. Probability of not getting that event, that favorable event is, you have to subtract 1 minus the probability of getting the event. I have marked it star. Probability of an event, right? Probability of an event is going to be a star. So we have to place over here this value. Okay, now you have to move at the page number 476. There is an example. Okay, at page number 476, there is an example. Calculate the probability of getting 6 in a dice. As I have told you earlier, we have 6 number in a dice. Okay, and it is represented by the dots. Okay, I have shown only 4. You have 6 faces in a cube and 6 numbers over there. Now, what they are going to ask, calculate the probability of getting the 6 in dice. It means 6 is going to be the favorable outcome. Now, what we have to do, we have to write number of favorable outcome. So how much number is 6? 6 is one number. Okay. So I am going to write 1 over here. That is 6. Okay. Instead of writing 6, we are going to write the event. How much we have to get the 6. So we are going to get the 6 number in one time. So one outcome. Okay. So that's why I'm writing over here 1 instead of 6. Okay. Now total number of outcomes. How many chances? How many events are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 at the back and the 6 at the front. So we have 6 outcomes. Okay. Total number of outcomes is 6. Okay. Number of favorable outcome is 1. So if we are going to apply on the formula, which is probability of an event is equal to the number of favorable outcome divided by the number of total outcomes. So I'm going to substitute in this formula the values 1 out of 6. Okay, I have substituted these values over here. Number of favorable outcome is 1 and number of total outcome is 6. So I have written this value over here. 1 by 6. Right? Okay. So I have discussed the one another formula which is like probability of not getting the favorable event. So here the favorable event is what? 6, right? Okay. Now you have to find the formula. Probability of not getting the 6. We have already discussed the formula. So I'm going to substitute the values according to my given example. Okay. So probability of not getting the 6. Not getting the favorable event which is 6. So we have 1 by the formula minus the probability of an event which we have 1 by 6, right? So now you have to make it simplify this fraction. 1 minus 1 by 6 is 5 by 6. Okay. Have a look again. If you have any problem, then please contact with me for 4:30. Okay. Hope you enjoy the lesson. Okay. You have to do the homework. Do exercise number 33.1 by yourself. Okay. By look over this formula and the example. Okay. Thank you guys. Allah Hafiz. Assalam.